Hey, what's up, guys? I just got the new replacement handle for my Staal VS 200. I got this from the local store in Manhattan for 45 bucks. Usually they're selling it for 59.99, like $60. But I got this for $45. It's not bad. It's a good deal. So let's start it. Okay, we need the tool we need is the 8 millimeters wrench and the hex screwdriver 1-8 and Loctite. I'm not good with this, but I try. It's very easy to replace. Alright. So screw right here. Oops. Alright. They only have a black color. I'm looking for silver one, but they don't have it, but it's okay for me. I guess put some Loctite. Just one drop. Oops. Screw back. Make sure it's very tight. Alright, that's it. It's good to go. Thanks for watching.